rainfall. Hurricane force winds extend outward up to 40 miles 65 kilometers from the center, and tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 175 miles 280 kilometer. The estimated minimum central pressure is 942 millibars 27.82 inches. Marine reports along the coast and offshore buoys. At the Seaman site at Cedar Key, winds were northeast at 15 knots. Air temperature 71 degrees. At the Seaman site at Venice, winds were northeast at 26 knots. Sea temperature 83 degrees. Air temperature 73 degrees. 100 miles west of Bayport, winds were from the northeast at 29 knots. Sea temperature 85 degrees. Air temperature 79. Wave heights 11 feet. Wave period 7 seconds. The report from 210 miles west of Captiva was not available. Your coastal waters forecast for the following marine location: Tampa Bay waters. Issued at 6:04 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Hurricane warning in effect. Today, hurricane conditions expected. East winds 35 to 45 knots with gusts up to 65 knots, becoming northeast 45 to 55 knots with gusts up to 75 knots this afternoon. Waves 2 to 4 feet. Bay and inland waters extremely rough. Widespread showers with isolated thunderstorms. Tonight, hurricane conditions expected. North winds 45 to 60 knots with gusts up to 75 knots. Waves 2 to 4 feet. Bay and inland waters extremely rough. Isolated thunderstorms.